Okay, so hello guys, my name is Shrek, and in today's video I will introduce you Waves Exchange, and we will look more after the WX token IDO, because as you can see the token is soon starting and it's the best time to just take a look on it, and who knows, maybe invest in it, which I really recommend to you. But at the beginning of this video I want to tell you all that I'm not the financial advisor, and if you want to invest in a WX token or in any other project, then do your own research and invest only money that you can afford. Okay, so I think that most of you heard before about the Waves Exchange, because it's not that small site, it's not that small market, and it's not small, as I said before. What can I say more about this? It's just a site where you can buy, trade, or stake your cryptocurrencies with a lot of apps and with a huge community. You don't need to be afraid about your cryptocurrencies, about your money in Waves Exchange, or about the fees, because they are really low. And also, as I said before, you don't need to worry about your money on Wave Exchange, because this site is really good, protected with all the verifies to just log in to your account. And as I said, you don't need to be worried about your money, which I think is really important when you host a account on some exchanges or some investments platform, because as you can see, you have in here also liquidity pools, Lambo investments, algorithmic trading, LP staking, staking also, and other products, which for example is Waves staking with API around 4%, and Neutrino pools API up to 23%. And as you can see, liquidity pools in here are really huge. As you can see, total liquidity is $31 million and volume is 1.3 millions. But as I said before, as I said at the beginning of this video, we will look more after the WX token IDO. What is that and why you should look after this and invest in it? Because as you can see, it's starting really soon. As you see this video, I think it's around 24 hours to start of this project, to start about Waves Exchange token IDO, and you should really look after it, because as you can see, what I can say about the Waves Exchange token, there will be only 50 millions for sale out of 1 billion that will exist, which is only 5% of the total supply. So the amount of this coin is really limited, and if you want to take your money with you, if you want to make some easy money, then this is opportunity for you and you should really look after this. So the next point, what I can tell you more about the Waves Exchange token IDO, they expect, the host, about the team, they expect the token to be sold within 1 day, so you really don't have time and you should really wait on the site to just buy your tokens, because as I said, it will be really limited, and as you can see, it's starting really soon. So I think that you should really look after this project and wait until the token starts. I will surely wait with you on the site while the token will be starting. And also, as you can see, you have in here a WX token early bird program, which you can learn more about the distribution of this token, for example, about the release silhouette, and lot more, like for example Tokenomics of this coin. So a distribution scheme, it looks as follows: 0.1% early bird program, 5% investors, 9, almost 10% marketing costs, and 15% for the team, 20% which is WX DAO, and also 50% for the community. And that's all of the 5% of the total supply of this coin, about the total distribution of this coin. So what I can tell you more, I don't think that team will dump or bump the charts of this coin, so you don't need to worry about the insta dumps or bumps of your money on Waves exchange token, because I think that it will be kind of stable coin. You don't need to worry about the dumps like 10% within 1 hour or even less. So the potential of its first IDO of Waves exchange, one of the top 10 DEX in the world. It is the BNB for Binance in the decentralized exchange world. Also, former Wave projects had amazing returns and a really backed up historical success launched. Like for example Waves ICO X, Waves DAG. I think that you may seen a lot of promotions of Waves DAG because it was really huge, and I also have some X in my wallet, I can tell you, like in a private, and I'm still making money on my DAX, on my money, on my wallet, on some X, and lot more other projects. And also that's the thing about I told you before in this video, which is security and low risk policy. If the WX rises, you will profit from the price difference. If not, you can choose to get the WX or return the invested USDN. So it's really simple, and it's also almost no risk investment. But as I said, I'm not the financial advisor, and I'm also telling you what I think about the WX token, which will I invest in. So where you can buy USDN, like for example on Waves exchange, of course, on Curve, on Swoop.finance, and also for example on KuCoin, which is really big exchange also. So you have many opportunities, and hurry up to buy WX on IDO. WX is incentive token of liquidity pools. WX is the main token of our new flagship products. Liquidity pools are already generating income for investors. Staking rewards will start right after the IDO. Additional income for locking WX, the sum of exchange fees, already almost or even more than $7,000 from spot trading collected during the IDO period, will be distributed among those who lock WX. After IDO, such rewards will occur weekly. And governance. Very soon you will be able to vote for pools profitability, for adding new pools, for example also for token and connecting new blockchain, and etc. Deep integration with exchange products. It will be soon be possible to invest WX in our top products, so it's also a great opportunity if you know what products that Waves offering to you. I told you about that before, about some products, and it's really great idea because I think that this product could be really good and future proof to just earn some easy, no risk money. And paying fees in WX is cheaper. Paying fees in WX will be soon cheaper for spot trading. So it's also a good opportunity because you can just trade with that with a lot lower fees. Who is behind the exchange? 2017 Exchange Foundation date, 70 Senior Plus Development Team, 10 years experience in fintech and blockchain, and 2 years in DeFi. And also $3 billion of Waves market cap, $1.6 billion of TVL of Neutrino protocol, $800 million of course total invested, and total incomes of all the users is currently, I say currently, $36.8 million, but I think that it will be raised a lot more after starting this project. And also 2.8 million unique accounts and 28k users invest. And also in here you have a lot of successful products we've done so far, like Waves done so far, and I told you about that before, like in the investments, in the pools, and in the small pool. And liquidity pools, here you have also liquidity pools, which is new option as you can see in here. And here you have, for example, all the fee API and the volume. Here you can also invest, it's really simple. And here we have also lower roadmap. Q4 of 2021, WX token IDO, liquidity pools, launch of the governance system by voting. Q1 of 2022, adding liquidity pools with tokens from Ethereum, Polygon and BSC, scaling the governance system. And Q2 of 2022, integrations of WX into Waves exchange investments products, stop loss and take profit orders, and NFT marketplace. So soon you will be also able to see an NFT marketplace on Waves exchange. It will also bump the choice of this token, I think, a lot. And Q3 of 2022, the ability to trade with pools using swaps, new arbitrations opportunities based on DApp to DApp, and Q4 of 2022, decentralized gateways as an external blockchain agnostics. See rise for cross-chain community gates, and also derivatives. And a little bit lower we have also the IDO terms, and as you can see, sales period starts at November 4th and ends on November 25. IDO WX token offer sold 0 WX, and max IDO offer is over 50 million WX. So if you are interested in this project and you want to earn some easy, no less money, then all the links are in the description, and I think that you should hurry up because there is not a lot time. And also you can download their apps on, for example, Windows, macOS and Linux. So in today's video it's gonna be all. I hope that you all like this video and that you will surely look after the Waves exchange token IDO, because I think it's really worth it. Thanks for the watching. Bye.